Welcome to The Future Files, your source for insights into the trends shaping our future. In today's episode, we dive into the world of e-commerce and explore how it has transformed shopping habits and the retail landscape. Join me as we uncover the rise of online shopping and its profound impact on consumer behavior and businesses. Segment 1. The evolution of e-commerce. E-commerce has come a long way since its inception. We trace the roots of online shopping and highlight its exponential growth over the years. From simple online transactions to the sophisticated platforms we see today, we examine how e-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop. Segment 2. Convenience and accessibility. One of the key drivers behind the rise of e-commerce is the convenience it offers. We explore how online shopping provides a seamless and accessible experience, enabling consumers to shop from the comfort of their homes or on the go. Discover how this convenience has reshaped consumer behavior and expectations. Segment 3. Expanding product variety and global reach. E-commerce has opened up a world of possibilities for consumers. We discuss how online marketplaces and platforms have expanded product variety, offering an extensive range of options that may not be readily available in traditional retail stores. Additionally, we examine how e-commerce has facilitated global trade, connecting buyers and sellers across borders. Segment 4. Personalization and recommendations. Online shopping platforms leverage advanced technologies to personalize the shopping experience. We explore how algorithms and data analytics enable personalized product recommendations, tailored promotions, and a more personalized approach to customer service. Discover how these features enhance the shopping experience and drive customer loyalty. Segment 5. Impact on traditional retail. The rise of e-commerce has disrupted the traditional retail landscape. We analyze the impact on brick-and-mortar stores and discuss how retailers are adapting to the changing landscape. Explore the concept of omni-channel retailing and how businesses are integrating their online and offline presence to provide a seamless shopping experience. Segment 6. Challenges and opportunities. While e-commerce brings numerous benefits, it also presents challenges. We delve into topics such as cybersecurity, logistics, and the need for effective customer support in the online space. Additionally, we highlight the opportunities e-commerce offers to small businesses and entrepreneurs, leveling the playing field and expanding market reach. As we conclude our exploration of the rise of e-commerce, we recognize its transformative impact on shopping habits and the retail landscape. Online shopping has revolutionized the way we discover, purchase, and experience products. By embracing e-commerce and adapting to the changing consumer expectations, businesses can thrive in the digital age. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of The Future Files. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on the future of science, technology, and innovation. Together, let us navigate the future with curiosity and foresight.